And the Indian Army now prepares for a long haul. Army is hunting for water source in Depsang and the DBO region for thousands of troops, remember, that have been deployed. This is big information coming in. A team of geologists are exploring groundwater source at the Galwan Valley, at the Depsang and at the DBO. India today has spoken to some experts as well, but importantly it appears that a water source is being explored. Primarily, remember, the water water and such sources will be required if Army is going for a long haul. Gaurav Sawant, I want to come back to you because Gaurav, you've been speaking to all the experts. This is big because this clearly refers to a fact that with the winter approaching, armed forces will have to be very sure, very careful of basic resources with them.
You know, you've hit the nail on its head, Pooja. One thing is very clear, the army is here for the long haul. To sustain 30,000, 40,000 or more troops in this terrain, you require water at all times. With me is Dr. Ritesh Arya. Dr. Arya is a geologist. Dr. Arya and his team have worked with the army in the Kargil sector in the past. You've worked in Siachen in the past. You've took out water in Siachen. Yes. And you are just on your way back from Daulat Beg Oldie. This is perhaps the highest and the most strategic point along the line of actual control where India and China-occupied Tibet meet. What did you find at DBO? What was your task, sir?
My task was to find groundwater for the Indian Army to sustain them in winters so that they can get 24/7 water, because the river and Chipchop and others streams, they freeze in winters and they have silt problem in summers.
So right now, cameraman Kripal Singh and I, we've just come back from DBO and we saw, so while you have the Galwan River there, you have the Chipchap River, you have the Shok River. If you have three river sources and you have a glacier, why would you need, groundwater?
Yeah, because we need groundwater at these high altitude cold mountain deserts, because there is silt in summers when the glaciers melt due to due to warming, and in winters the water freezes due to cold winters. Severe winters, temperatures drop to -40 degrees. So they have to melt ice in winters, and in summers they are looking for some.
Any success in finding water at DBO?
Yes, we did investigations and we were able to find some paleo channels which we will be tapping to find to develop groundwater.
Wish you all the best, sir.
Yes,
wish you all the best. Yes.
In Galwan, in 120 kilometers, we already did. See, this preparation of groundwater development has been going on for so long, and in 2013 only we did.
Many thanks for joining me, Doctor. So some success in finding water at Galwan in the past, some success in finding water in Pengong. So now the task is to find water in Depsang and Daulat Beg Oldie. Over to you, Pooja.
And thank you so much for getting us that interaction, because it's not easy getting a groundwater source in Ladakh, and there's already a scarcity. So thank you so much for getting us that important interaction as well. Gaurav Sawant is on the ground in Ladakh.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.